So you finna turn it on right now? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Too Slow Kurt. So really quick, before we actually get into this video, I just want to let y'all know that these videos that I'm posting are old. My car does look different now, but I still got to get this content out for you guys. Yes, my Corvette is down at the moment. The transmission went out, and it is in the shop currently. And like I said, I'm just getting this content out for you guys, so my car does look different. But yada, yada, yada. Fast forward. This video is old, but yeah. In this video, you guys are going to be seeing a secondary cat delete on this video, alright? But yeah, let's get into it. What's good, YouTube? Currently in Dallas, Texas right now. As you can hear, my car does have the muffler delete right now already. It has the muffler delete. I'm currently about to go get my cats cut off. And then, you know, it's going to be a straight pipe 6.2 liter Corvette. And then, I'm going to give you guys some revs and stuff right now. Let you guys hear what it sounds like with the muffler delete. And then, of course, whenever I get out the shop, then I'll show you guys what it sounds like, fully straight pipe. I already know it's gonna sound like a monster, man. So, you know, we just gonna get straight into it. Alright guys, so that's what it sounds like with just a muffler delete. I'm gonna go get the cats cut off and everything, and I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like. Like I said already in the beginning, that's just a muffler delete, and it already sounds loud. Sometimes the videos don't do a lot of justice, but we're gonna do that. I'm gonna head to the shop real quick, and I'm gonna give you guys some footage like I did with the muffler delete, and then we're gonna go from there. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, so we have the car in the shop right now. We're gonna get the cats cut off, as you can see. She's on the lift. That's the man with the plan right there. She's on the lift and she's finna go up. Yup. Finna get those cats cut off. As you can see, I already got the mufflers taken off. There are no mufflers on this car. Remember, there are no mufflers. So when he cuts the cats off, it is gonna sound crazy, alright? It is gonna sound crazy when he cuts the cats off. And I just can't wait. He charged me $80 a piece, and it's gonna sound mean, boy. I'm ready for it. I'm ready. Remember, follow the social, like, subscribe. Stay tuned with me, man. So as you can see, man, this is right here by Hector Garcia. Literally right next to it. This is where I come get my work done at. It's across from the church. And right here, the plumbing supply place. All nice for your day. So if you want some good work, cheap work, they gonna get you right, man. He got that bad boy in the air, and he finna get me right. It's finna sound like a straight beast. Let me show you what it looks like under. No mufflers, no mufflers. Doing some good work, man. We live, man. We live. Baby getting worked on, man. Some more. Like every week we doing something, man. Alright guys, she is done. As you can see, the catalytic converter right there. Yes sir, both sides. Wait till I turn it on. Wait till I turn it on. It's gonna sound so mean, man. I'm waiting for it. So you finna turn it on right now? Yes sir, so it is warm right now, and it's pretty loud, man. Sounds so good. ready for war now. Yeah. Alright, let's get inside that thing. Alright, we inside right now. Damn. Shit. Sound right. Yeah. So he only takes cash, and I only got cards, so I gotta run to the bank and I have to get him some cash real quick, and then we're gonna be right back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sounds like with the muffler delete and the secondary catch, okay? So right now I am currently in Denton and I'm about to hop up on the freeway right now. Right here, as you can see, I'm about to get on the freeway and we're gonna push this boy, and I'm gonna let y'all hear this bad boy roar. Then we're about to come under, we're about to go under a bridge right now. I'm gonna let the windows down. The bridge coming up. Yeah, them boys got me right, man. Shit. Yes, sir, man. Them boys got me right, man. Y'all hear it, man. Y'all hear it. Y'all hear it. It's a beast, man. So it is not the primary catch, so it's not gonna be super fucking loud. These are the secondary cats, and the secondary cats are smaller, and they're like kind of towards the middle. They make some noise too, you know. This shit's crazy. It definitely is a big difference from the muffler delete and having the secondary cats deleted as well. And like I said, it sounds like a monster, bro. I already knew it was gonna sound crazy. Just imagine if I cut the primary cats off now. It's gonna sound like you're getting chased by the devil. And just like that, this video is over with. As you can see, I got that 1320 video poster, or it's really a flag, but the flag up there, got the camera set up. This is my setup right here as far as my editing and all that, yada yada yada. But yeah, man, I do appreciate y'all watching this video. If you tapped in all the way, man, like, subscribe, stay tuned, all that good stuff. Like I said before earlier in the video, that this is an old video, so yeah, everything right here, I gotta get the content out, boys. I gotta get the content out. The event is down right now at the moment, but hey, better times is coming. You know, God is good all the time. So as long as we got God, that's all we need, man. But yeah, at the end of the day, you know, we're gonna keep hustling. We're gonna keep going hard, man. I'm dropping videos back to back to back to back. So man, y'all boys stay tapped in. I am dealing with some legal issues right now, so a lot of my videos are going to be down at the moment. A lot of my YouTube videos are going to be down due to legal issues. I can't speak too much on it right now, but yeah, a lot of videos are gonna be back up on my channel pretty soon, and y'all gonna see all that lit content that I got on there. So don't sleep on me with that content, bro. I'm telling y'all, the content be going crazy. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I gotta talk to y'all for like 30 more seconds, bro, because honestly, bro, like, I want this video to be 10 minutes, and as you can see, it says 9 minutes and 29 seconds. And for some reason, this 29 seconds is bothering me a lot. So y'all got a couple more seconds of me talking to y'all, man. So yeah. But yeah, this is the setup right here, man. Setup goated, bro. I just got the setup not too long ago. But yeah, this is what I've been editing my videos on. What y'all think about it? Anyways, let me know. Comment down below. Do y'all got a Corvette? Are y'all looking to get a Corvette? What y'all looking to do with y'all cars? What's the reason why y'all even watching this video? For the content? Or because, you know, y'all trying to do some modifications to y'all car, man? But yeah, other than that, man, it's your boy, Too Slow Kurt. And I'm out.